Hello everyone, I am Sarvesh. I am studying in English care. Today I am going to tell a story about the Air India Express flight 812. Let's go into the story. Now we are going to look at the crash of the Air India Express 812. In Dubai International Airport, the flight was being too ready. Then passengers are moving and the luggages are loading. Then the passenger asked, "Can I get a coffee please?" Yes. Then the medical test, the first passenger and the second passenger were signed up. Then they take off the flight. And the second officer were asleep. Then the first officer Aluwalia want to handle both of the steering. Then he handled both of the steering. It is morning and he is still sleeping. Then he wake up. He want to land at the Mangalore Airport. When we are going to school, we are so sleepy. Then we will say, "I didn't go to school today because I am so sleepy." Then sometimes we will late for school. Then that officer do. Then he wake up and he manage the steering. In the day, he wake up and handle the steering. Then the second officer want to handle the Mangalore runway. Then he handled it and the captain said, go around captain. But the captain didn't respond. He come to the runway, but here is the runway means he want to land here, but here is a 250-meter cliffs. Then he want to land here, but he land here and go down to the cliff. It was blast and the flight were broke down. The passengers were burning and 7 people escaped. Then the pilots were died. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.